What's up, everybody? I'm Chris Jacobs, and I am coming to you live from SEMA 2007. Now, this is the hottest, biggest, coolest car show on the planet, and I have been looking forward to being here since SEMA 2006. This is my favorite week of the year. Right now, I'm standing in the Hotchkis booth, and I'm with the man himself. John Hotchkis, step on in here.
How are you, Chris?
Good to see you, my man.
Oh, it's great to be here.
You gotta love SEMA.
I'll tell you, like Chris, this is my favorite week as well. All these parts, I mean, it is car heaven here.
Now, we know that you're heavy into the GM scene. Tell us about that.
Well, you can see over here we have a brand new TVS package for Novas. And this complements our first-gen Camaro products, which you just used on one of your builds.
Yes.
And so we have all new subframe connectors, sway bars, springs, shocks, complete packages for the 68 to 74 Nova.
Nice. Now, see, the cool thing about Hotchkis is you can have that old school styling with the modern technology, because in the old school cars, they didn't really feel real right suspension-wise.
I mean, the first thing somebody does is they restore a car, they've spent a lot of money on it, and muscle cars are starting to be, I mean, the value is skyrocketing. So what they do is they get in it and they start it up and they drive around the block and say, man, this is awful. I mean, the worst minivan handles better than a new, a new minivan handles better than a muscle car. So we make system packages where you don't have to modify your car. You take all the old suspension off, put all of our new suspension, wheels, tires, brakes, everything works better with real suspension on it.
Now, I'm a Mopar guy, and I have a 68 GTX, and I've had John's sway bar on my car for years, and I've been asking you, every time I see you, when are you gonna give me the rest of the package for my Mopar, man? You guys have done it now.
That's what Chris says. He's, come on, John, get the Mopar stuff going. So, we're gonna walk over here.
Right over here.
All right. Okay, now we've had, for a few years, we've had our sway bar packages for the Mopars. Adjustable rear bar, so depending on the type of tires you have and so on, you can get the right roll stiffness. But to go with the sway bars, we're now doing torsion bars, leaf springs, A-arms, and more, because the Mopar guys now are ready. They want to catch up to the Camaro guys. They actually want to have something better, and so now we'll have the package for that.
Somebody's gonna have to get me a bib, because I just started drooling. I'm looking at this display right here, and I'm envisioning it being on my personal GTX. So don't forget, that's Hotchkis with 1s.net. John, thank you so much,
Chris,
man.
Thank you. Hi, I'm John Hotchkis with Hotchkis Sports Suspension. You're watching HubGarage.com. Awesome.